Hey everybody, Chris with Automotive here to talk about some of our customers are kind of not really sure what we actually do here. Everybody hears the big restoration stuff, big overhauls, stuff like that. We also don't shy away from the small stuff, whether it be minor modifications to your car to make it more personalized for you, or a complete overhaul like everybody hears about. So if you have your car and you want to do some small stuff to it here and there, give us a call. We'll get you in, get you taken care of, get you back on the road looking pretty. Chris with Integrity Automotive.